8 in 10 Republicans consider large numbers of immigrants entering the United States as a critical threat. For Democrats, fewer than 2 in 10 believe immigrants to be a critical threat. The gap between Republicans and Democrats on this question is among the largest partisan divides in U.S. public opinion polling and immigration. Additionally, the high percentage among Republicans aligns with the other data showing that immigration and border issues are very important for Republican voters. For Democrats, the much lower figure reflects that immigration is viewed less as an existential or critical threat. While their differences in opinion are harmless, the way in which both members of both parties are going about the issue is becoming a problem. "40 states have at least one active Section 287 program memorandum of agreement in place. Therefore, 10 states do not have any active 287 agreements. Among those, several, like Illinois, California, Connecticut, New Jersey, Oregon, and Washington, either prohibit or restrict participation by state law in 287 agreements. They can't really see their graph. Doesn't matter. Just list the things and have the graph like on the.
54% of Democrats and 62% of Republicans hold an unfavorable view of members of the opposing party, and 45% of Democrats and 35% of Republicans will be displeased if their child married a member of the opposite party. This is shown in the graph here. Now, political divide has grown over the years. In 1960, 2 in 10 people disliked members of the opposite party. In 2022, the same poll was conducted, and 6 in 10 people disliked members of the opposite party.
Out of the 2 million immigrants deported in the past year of 2025, 1.6 million people have self-deported, have left without any intervention from ICE. Out of the immigrants detained at this time, 75% do not have a criminal record outside of being here illegally. This is the first year since the 60s since the population of illegal immigrants has decreased. And one of the other problems with illegal immigration is the healthcare in the United States has gone way up and harder for people to attain.
If a citizen child's parents are deported, the risk of the child developing PTSD, depression, anxiety, and sleep disorders greatly increase. Once the child's parent has been detained, their options for a child, if the citizen is a child, if a child is a citizen, their options are to go back with the parents to their original country, to stay with the guardian, and as a worst case scenario, they're cared for by CPS. The problem is balancing the child's rights as a citizen and the parental rights to their child. That's yours.
Why does this all connect and how does it connect? Statistics lead to knowledge, knowledge leads to reason, and reason leads to a solution. No matter how you feel on the matter, the only way to successfully solve a problem is to learn about both sides and to learn about different aspects.
Good?
Yep.